How to make light switch in Minecraft. So first I just made this mini house to show you guys how it's done, but what's important is you have like this space on the back to put the mechanism, or so that we can place the mechanism right there. So just go to the one right here on the back of the wall. So make sure to place your lever on the place that you want to put the switch on, or the light switch. So let's say I want to put the switch here on the side. Once it's done, just simply poke a hole or destroy a block to the side of that. And once it's done, just simply go back right here. So as you can see, this is the lever on this side. So what you want to do now is destroy a block on the side of the lever and put a redstone dust. So basically when I open up the lever, it will activate the redstone dust right there. So I'm just gonna fix this and add the block so that it could cover it up. Now once that's done, what you want to do now is so just simply put another block right here below us and another one. And what you want to do now is place another one right here on the top. So right here, so I'm just going to put a redstone again and place another log and place the redstone right here. And now just simply get the slab and place it right there and connect it with the redstone and place the other one until you reach the top right here. So place the redstone again. So I'm just going to place the slab first. So just repeat this process till you reach the top right here. Now on the top. So now once that's done, so it should basically look like that. So I just fixed it so it just looks like this. So something like that. Now what you want to do is just go to the bottom and or here at this side and choose a block to put the redstone lamp. So let's say I want lights right here. So just put the redstone lamp right there and also one right here on the side and another one on the side right there. Now, once that's done, you just simply need to go to the top and just connect the redstone dust here on the lamps that we have right there. So connect it and also this to the other one. So just connect it first. So I've connected it all up. So this should look like that. And now once I go down and open up the lever, as you can see, it just lights up just like that. As you can see, the light is now right there. And that's how you basically make a light switch in Minecraft.